Hi everybody, we're at Value Village on Regent. Haven't been here in a while, so we're gonna go check it out and see what they have. I have some donations in the back here to donate. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna go to Plato's or to Style Encore. I don't know if I want to invest that much money in bags right now, but if the price is right, we'll definitely check it out. So I'll see you guys inside. It's not bad. Men's wallet. Looks like it's fossil. No, it's, oh, it is fossil. But it's keeper fossil. It's not bad.
Are you Msfili?
Yes.
Yeah, me and my sister just watched your video.
Oh,
so
thank
we
you.
wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you so much. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah, no, we were just like awkwardly like right here. We were like, is that Msfili? Like, yeah.
You guys find anything good?
I don't know. I just found like stuff. I really like cake right now. So yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyways, hope you have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Bye. Okay, so there's this fossil one right here. But I have like something similar that took a while to sell. So
That's cute.
Walk bare feet, I think, first. My dad always tells me to take more seconds in shoes because you put your feet on your face.
okay, I don't really see anything, but we haven't really like looked really hard. This one. Oh, this looks familiar. This really looks familiar. Oh, I've thrifted one of these before. It can be like a backpack, but it can also be like a made in Italy, like a backpack slash purse. I think I sold mine for like 50, no, maybe like 45. I don't know, I'm just kind of like torn up on that. I mean, I've had it before. What bag is this? Spring. It is a really cute wallet. It reminds me kind of Gucci or Salvatore Ferragamo a little bit. It's by a brand called Tilly, made in Canada. It's really nicely made, but I'm gonna pass on that. Oh, here's a mat wallet. $2.99. That's not bad at all. I'm gonna pass on that too. Hella cute though. It's kind of hot. Park far because lots of construction going on here today. It's really hot out today too. It's like plus 30. But yeah, we're just gonna go to the Value Village by my place and see if there's anything interesting inside. If there is, we'll show you. If there isn't, then there isn't. Start looking. Here's a Danny leather for $10, possibly. It's kind of cute, DCBG. feels like it would be fossil. No, it's icing. Pandora bag. Okay guys, I think this is all we found is this Daniel leather crossbody bag, which is really cute. It's only 10 bucks. I've seen this priced for more at like Plato's, and it's just like a cute crossbody, you know. Nice line, no pilling. Very like Rebecca Minkoff. So there's no pocket on the front, that's just for decoration, but there's a zip pocket on the back. And this is adjustable so that you can make it like a longer crossbody. It's cute. Fake Louis Vuitton strap. It's only like $1.99. Fake Louis Vuitton strap. I'm not sure if it's actual Vachetta leather though. I don't know. Probably not.